This video is going to show you how to use the equation editor to insert equations in Apple's Pages application. All right, so here's an equation, x equals x naught, and it's following, and that says text following the equation. So here's an equation. Now, what happens most often is people want to have the equation formatted like the text. There's a little trick to that. So in the equation, I'm going to click where I want the equation to go, and I'll choose Insert and Equation. And now my little dialog box pops up where I can edit this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use something called the text command. \text, open and close brackets. And I'm going to use x equals x. And then after that, I'm going to write subscript, and then I'll write the lowercase o because I like that more than the 0. Now, when I'm using the text command, I cannot use any functions like subscript, superscript. I cannot use like the fraction function inside of the brackets that say text. So what you'll end up doing is putting this text command all over the place when you start doing this. But when you use the text command, it actually creates a text mode. That's subscript 0. I want to fix that /text and then the curly brackets. So now the 0 is also affected by it. Now what it does, it takes all this and turns it into text mode. So anything I do to the text in the second line will also happen to my equation. So here it says insert. Notice that it all looks like that line. I'll highlight everything and I'll change the font to something else. And you can see it changes when I do that. And I'll change the font again. And even the font in the equation changes. Unfortunately, equal sign means something else in this font. Let's just pick another one here. So there's the equation, and I can change the color over here, the text color. So I can change that as well. And that came off the screen. Here we go. So everything changes and the equation duplicates it. And that's because of the text command. On the equation up above, I can change the color. But if I try to change the text font itself, you can see that the equation x equals x naught is not affected at all. And that's because inside the equation editor, that's still in math mode. I needed to use the text command to turn it into text mode.